80% of all real estate agents polled said that if they had their very own printed real estate book that they actually wrote, it would definitely help their business grow. Now, that same 80% also acknowledged that the reason they don't have their own book is because, well, they bought into the myth that it's too hard to write and it will take months or years out of their life and it'll cost them thousands. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. My name is Anthony Nitz, and I wrote my first real estate book 17 years ago, and it has proven to provide way more value than I ever thought it would. But at that time, I did do it the hard way. It took 9 months to write. I spent a lot of money, and it was one of the most painful processes I'd ever gone through. But I quickly recognized the value of having my very own book that I actually wrote, and I wanted to write more. Keep in mind, I'm not some experienced author or English major, so I had to find a way to make it easy. I went on a journey to try to figure out an easier, cheaper, less painful way of writing a book, and it took me a few years, but now with my process, anyone can write their very own full-size real estate book in as little as a week. I put together a training I'd like to invite you to attend where you can learn how you can have your very own full-size real estate book that you wrote, that you own 100% of the copyright, and you can use to get clients and referral partners. Good news is, you don't have to be some amazing author to write it. I simplified this process so that anyone can write their own real estate book fast and super cheap. I mean, think about it. Every influencer, politician, big real estate coach or trainer that you know has a book. And why do they have it? Well, one reason is to create authority. As a real estate professional, you're a coach. You coach people through the process of buying and selling homes. Your problem? No authority. Everyone knows real estate agents are a dime a dozen, and most people think all agents do the same thing for way too much money. With your own book, you can prove them wrong and make it so that the only choice is to hire you. Join my training now by clicking on the link below and be prepared to have your mind expanded tenfold when you realize that you have been lied to. It's not hard, it's not expensive, and it won't take months to write your own real estate book. Click on the link on this page now and I'll see you in print soon.